Namaste. I'm Rohit Srivastav. Today I'm here to discuss an important topic with all of you, that is an attendance compilation. Attendance compilation is a tedious job. Everybody knows about this thing, right? So, is there any way that we can compile the attendance easily? Have you heard about it? Yes, we have. We can quickly compile the attendance without any efforts, okay, and within a few seconds each data, that how much our student has taken leave, is present, was absent, everything you should know, or you will come to know, right? So let's start the today's session. I hope all of you will learn something good today. Let's check it out. Today we have the function known as Countif. Okay. Before Countif, we will discuss about the count function. What is the basic difference between the count and the Countif? So if we will talk about the count function, so count function returns the number of values. Okay. Let's suppose if we have 6 values, any random values. Okay. So what this count function will do, this will return 6 because the value is 6, so it will return the number of values. But what about Countif? Countif will return the value once again, but it works on a particular criteria, whatever the criteria that we are giving. Okay, let's see an example. Hope it will clear the things in a much better way. Okay, so let's suppose we have a count function, okay, and we have a Countif function. So first of all, I am taking some random values 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 6. Okay, so what will this count function do? One thing, whenever you are implementing a formula, okay, always start implementing the formula by putting the equal sign. As soon as you will put the equal sign, you will win the formula mode. Okay, so count function that we need to implement, then open bracket. Now it is asking for the value, right? So right now I am giving the whole array, that is 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, 6 as a value, and closing the bracket. See what will be the answer. I will get 6 because I have taken how much values? 6 values, right? Same if I will take, let's suppose, more values, 9, 3, 5, then what will be the case? Now I have to modify this formula once again because previously I have selected the cell up to I5, now I have L5, right? So what I will do, I will just make it K, not K, exactly L. Okay, see, 9 values we are getting. It means count just simply returns the number of values that we have. But what Countif does now, let's check it out. Let's suppose we have 1, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 1, 1. Okay, this is an array that we have 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 1, 1. Now if I will apply the Countif formula, first of all it is asking for the range. Range is how many values that we have, or we have to pass to select the particular number or to get the particular number. Okay, so I am selecting the array as this one. Now it is asking for the criteria, right? Criteria is what that we are looking for, okay, or on the basis of which we are looking for the answer. Right now I am seeking the value of number of 1 that is occurring in this array, means how many times the number 1 is occurring in this array. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass a value. So there will be difference between passing the value and passing the string. If I'm taking, let's suppose, alphabets, I will pass with double quotes. Okay, if I'm passing a value, then I will pass it directly. So I'm writing it down, 1 here, bracket close, C, 4. Got it? Now if you will see the array, this array, how many times 1 appears? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So this makes the answer. Right? Let's take one more example. Okay, let's suppose I am having P, P, P. Okay, and I am putting a L, P, P, P. Okay, so if I need to count the number of P's here, let's suppose how many P's are there. What I will do, I will just simply apply the count if. Okay, here I am applying. I will simply apply the count if. Then what I will do, I will pass the range. This is our range, or this is our array. Now we are seeking for the number of our string because we have the alphabet here. Okay, so right now we can't pass directly P. Okay, as we have passed the 1 directly. What we will do, we will pass the P in double quotes. Okay, and bracket close. Now what will be the answer? It will be 7. It means 7 times P appears in this array. Let's get a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 times it appears. Right, I hope you got the difference between the count and countif, and passing the value and passing a string. Okay, and do you know one thing? You have just calculated the number of present of a student. If you will see this array carefully, we have P stands for present, A stands for absent, and L stands for leave. So you have just calculated the number of presents. Okay, let's move to the attendance sheet. Okay, here we have attendance sheet, which is approximately consisting of, not approximately, exactly consists of 31 students. Now see, counting P's and A's and L's for each and every student is a hectic job, right? We all are aware about that thing. So what we are going to do is, now we are going to implement directly the countif function to calculate the absent, that is A, leave, that is L, and P, that is present. Okay, now see what I'm going to do here. First I'm going to calculate the leaves. Okay, so equal to, then countif, range I have this one, right, comma, criteria is I need to get the value of L, that how many times the L appears. So double quotes open, double quotes closed, and close the bracket. See, 1 means this student, that is Adi, has taken the leave only 1 time in this particular month. Okay, now talking about the absent, once again the same formula, count if, select the range, comma, and A. Okay, one more thing from my side, that countif is not a case sensitive. Either you can pass the capital A, that means the caps, and or the smaller one. Okay, see, 0. Okay, see why it is 0. Let me, okay, this appears strongly good here. See, it is appearing 0 here. Why? Because I have not mentioning the double quotes. So maybe possible if sometimes you are doing this thing in a hurry, so you will forget to, or you will forget to put the double quotes. So I'm applying here double quotes, and now see. Here our answer is 2, means Adi has 2 absent, okay, in a particular month. Now talking about present, so what we are going to do is once again count if, then the particular range, comma, quote P, okay, and bracket close. 10 present. Okay, let's count the present first once again to just cross check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is what the 10 present is, the answer that we got. Now we have to calculate the number of working days, total number of working days. Okay, so we will calculate it last, because absent plus present plus leaves will give us the total working days. So here we will apply just the sum. We will pass the range, bracket close, 13. 10 plus 2 plus 1, 13. It will always be 13 now. Okay, we have the present, absent, and leaves, and total working days of the month, right? If we will go with the traditional method, what will be the case? It will be little bit hectic, because every time you need to count the number of P's, number of A's, and number of L, that is leaves, right? But here what you need to do now with Countif function, you just select all these cells, okay, and drag it in the downward direction. See, and this is your attendance compilation got done for this particular month. Got it? Easier? Okay, now let's we cross check once, because I always go for the authenticity. So let's suppose we have Chintan, okay, not Chintan exactly, we are going for the Chiprak, okay, because it has number of leaves and number of absents are more. So first we will count the number of leaves. The leaves are 1, 2, okay, so we are getting 2 here. Number of absentees 1, 2, 3, so 3. And finally number of present 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of present 8. Okay, and this is how you can easily compile the attendance using the Countif function. Okay, thanks for watching video. I hope you will love it, and definitely you will implement now in your academics when you are compiling the attendance. Okay, so thank you so much once again. Do subscribe the channel if you like it for more videos, and namaste.